Improve your English language just in 30 minutes. Yes, guys, actually, here I want to share with you the most and that is very important things. And I want to share with you how you can improve your English language just in 30 minutes. Actually, you have to build a habit. Actually, literally what I want to share with you, that is you have to just take only 30 minutes and you have to divide in four types. How you can divide it? You can divide it in 5 minutes for reading, 5 minutes for watching video. It could be podcast, or maybe English speech, or maybe any fluent English conversations. And for beginners conversation, it could be anything you can watch. And for 10 minutes for your speaking practice, and for 10 minutes for shadowing practice. And there is no need to pause the video in every seconds. No, you can do shadowing practice just by watching video. When the speaker they speak any word, you have to also imitate the same way. That way the speaker is saying any words, saying anything. So just you need to do some efforts, like you have to take only 30 minutes every day. This is the best or good habit for improving your English language. Because I heard many people, they are thinking, they are wondering, we should take hours and hours. But I would say consistency practice, if you do anything by consistently, then there's no need to spend your hours and hours. Okay, so maintain your consistency, and only for 30 minutes, that is enough for your speaking practice or for your learning English language. Actually, you just need to do some efforts, not a lot. It's a language. Okay, it's a language. And there is a, what is the main problem for beginners, and what they have actually, they are always thinking where we should start for speaking English. We should start tenses, grammar, we should start reading books, or we should start direct speaking. They are just wondering, they are not taking any actions. So I would say you should first take any steps. ओके, बिकॉज क्योंकि ऐसा होता है ना कि लोग शुरुआत करने से डरते हैं कि हमें चालू कहाँ से करना है, कहाँ से हमें बोलना है, पहले क्या सीखे, ग्रामर सीखे कि बोलना चालू कर दे, कि बुक पढ़े, है ना। वो सारी चीज़ें सोचते ही रह जाते हैं, उन्हें शुरुआत में ही डर लगता है, जिसकी वजह से वो बोलना चालू नहीं करते और उनके अंदर हमेशा हेजिटेशन बना रहता है। सो आपको स्टार्ट करना है, भले ही आप एकदम बेसिक से स्टार्ट कीजिए, या आपको कुछ भी नहीं आता हो तो फिर भी आप स्टार्ट कीजिए, क्योंकि व्हेन यू स्टार्ट योर स्पीकिंग जर्नी, देन ग्रेजुअली थिंग्स बिकम ईजियर। आपको एक ही साथ सारी चीज़ें समझ में नहीं आएंगी, है ना, जो कि एक सच्चाई है। आपको धीरे धीरे चीज़ें समझ में आएंगी। आप जैसे जैसे टाइम उस पर देते जाएंगे, काम करते जाएंगे, वैसे चीज़ें अपने आप सिंपल होती जाएंगी, ईजी होती जाएंगी। बट in early stage it is very, I think say it would be very difficult for everyone. It was also for me. Was it easy for me? No, guys, actually you won't believe, I started learning English language from the scratch. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता था। हालांकि बुक पढ़ लेते थे, लेकिन बोलने की बात कुछ और है, पढ़ने की बात कुछ और है ना। आप ग्रामर कितना भी पढ़ लीजिए, बिना स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस के आप नहीं बोल सकते, ठीक है। तो पढ़ना और बोलना, ये दोनों चीज़ बहुत ही अलग अलग हैं, इनके बीच में बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है। स्पोकन इंग्लिश के लिए आप जितना ज़्यादा बोलोगे उतना ज़्यादा फ्लुएंट बनोगे। यू हैव टू फर्स्ट स्टार्ट, ओके। यू कैन फर्स्ट स्टार्ट बाय लिसनिंग, बाय reading, or by learning grammar. And I would say if you are a Hindi medium student, then start from the tenses, start from tenses. That will beneficial for you, for everyone. So you should start learn first tenses. Then you should do only 30 minutes, but consistently. And please be dedicated. Whenever you give your 30 minutes for improving your English language, please be dedicated that time. I already shared with you that is there's no need to give your hours and hours, but you have to very dedicate when you learn English and when you are trying to pay some efforts. Okay, I hope you understand. Please guys, literally, actually I don't want to share any false things that will not work you, that will not work with your English language. I just want to share something truth, something valuable information that pays some meaningful lessons. Okay, so I I was started learning English language from the scratch. I was not extraordinary person. I was not very talented in my school. I I was just like a beginner. I was just like a you, not any extraordinary person, but I started. Then sometime I felt I should stop because I'm not a fluent, I'm not a good learner, and चीज़ें जल्दी समझ में नहीं आती थी, तो कुछ समय ऐसा लगता था कि मुझे छोड़ देना चाहिए, ये मेरे बस का नहीं है, दैट इज़ नॉट माई कप ऑफ टी, आई कैन नॉट डू दिस. सो कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती थी, बट चलो कुछ ना कुछ करते हैं, ये वाला जो सोच है वो हमेशा से मेरे अंदर था. ओके, अगर कुछ नहीं आता है तो लेट्स डू इट समथिंग अदर, लेट्स डू इट समथिंग दिस, बिकॉज इफ आई स्पेंड माई टाइम देन समवेयर इट विल पे समथिंग वैल्यूएबल लेसन फॉर मी. सो बस इसीलिए मैंने ये पढ़ना चालू किया, और जैसे जैसे टाइम बीतते गए कुछ चीज़ें आती गई, और ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने मिस्टेक्स नहीं की, बहुत सी मिस्टेक्स की है ना. सो आई मेड मैनी मिस्टेक्स, इवन आई एम not perfect today also. I make many mistakes while speaking, while writing, but I'm not considering my mistakes that is my weakness. I just consider it, yeah, it's normal. It's normal, because every successful person they goes through this way. हर एक सक्सेसफुल इंसान गलतियाँ करके ही सीखा है, ठीक है. तो we should improve our mistakes, we should work on that, but we should not give up. We should not give up, guys, trust me, literally. I hope you mark my words, please. Actually, what I want to share with you, people, they are thinking too much their English level, or they are thinking too much their confidence or their background. But I was also an Hindi medium, so it was very difficult to grab all the knowledge, to grab all the sentences or maybe grammar mistakes. So it was a very difficult, very challenging for me, but I started because I believe that if I take some efforts, then maybe in the future my efforts will pay something lesson, valuable lesson for me. So I started from the scratch, but I was continued, and what I was continue for speaking English language, for learning this language. Then I decided to, okay, if I'm not learning in a very fast, but I'm learning, you know. So I was not a quick learner, but I was learning. So that's all about me, and I decided to take some time for my speaking practice, for my learning, and I decided to take only 30 minutes. You should just take some time, but be dedicated on that time. You should pay some attention on that time when you are learning. So you should just do something, read 5 minutes, watch 5 minutes, because watching and listening, that is very important things, and in this way you can surround yourself in English language. So watching English content and shadowing practice, you should pause video, then speak. And if you can understand very well, then there's no need to pause the video. You can speak with speaker, क्योंकि जब आप स्पीकर के साथ बोलेंगे तो उससे आपकी फ्लुएंसी बिल्ड होगी, उससे आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा, है ना। जब आप वीडियो को पॉज करते हैं तो आप अपने तरीके से बोलते हैं, पर अगर आप जब एक स्पीकर को फॉलो करते हैं तो उसके रिदम के साथ आप बोलते हैं, तो इससे आपका जो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल है, जो फ्लुएंसी है, वो बिल्ड होगा. सो यू कैन स्पीक विथ स्पीकर, and also you should read and do everything. Just divide your time in in 30 minutes and do it, then you can improve your English language, but please be dedicated. So I hope you understand this video very well. If not, then please watch this video again, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.